Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord stream not working. So let's begin. First, go and access your Discord application. Make sure it is the latest version, okay? Then go to user settings over here and then scroll down, click on advanced. Now here, hardware acceleration. Uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. Turn this off if you're experiencing visual problems. So we need to turn this off. Okay. And click on change and restart. This will automatically change and save the changes you made for this acceleration part for your GPU. And go ahead, try to stream again using your Discord. It should work like 99% because hardware acceleration is the main culprit for applications not working or crashing at all, like CapCut, Adobe Effects, Discord, and other streaming services out there. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.